up, Keto Kings and Queens? I had to come on here and show you guys the best breakfast I made this morning. All you need are 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of your favorite keto sweetener. Add that to a blender and you want to blend this until smooth. This is what your consistency is going to look like. It's going to look thin, but trust me, it is amazing. You're making the most phenomenal crepes you have ever had. Go ahead and add that to your pan and you're going to let that cook for like 2 minutes until the bubbles settle before you flip. Once you flip it over, it should look just like this. Now this mixture gave me 4 crepes for the size of my pan. Go ahead and add your favorite toppings. I have these beautiful strawberries. Now if you don't have this Lakanto maple syrup, you need to go get this right now. This was literally like breakfast and dessert at the same time. I also tried out this keto-friendly milk I found by Carb Master, and it paired great with this. Always remember that you are awesome, and thank you so much for your support. Guys, this is now my favorite breakfast. I kid you not. Please try it. Like, comment, share, and let me know what you think. Please follow for more.